apply. So yun po ating mga katambay ang ating project for today, yung how to put the head in the mountain, or how to carve a face into the mountain. Salamat po at maraming salamat mga katambay. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!